Everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancuza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kumkhokha the case kusukela ngomsombuluko umhla 20 January kuya kuLesihlanu mhla 24 January 2025. Ngomsombuluko umhla 20 January 2025, the Gumedes and Tianes are at loggerheads with each other. Who will come out on top? There is an unexpected wake-up call for Sibahle. uNtombi noZisebenzele make a go at marriage life. NgoLwesibili mhla 21 January 2025, as Kabsela's word come crashing down, Sifocile announced who Ulwazi is going to marry. Mamzoba is triggered yet again and she's a woman unhinged. NgoLwesithathu mhla 22 January 2025, uDiva find out that Sifocile has gone behind his back and betrayed him. Sbu becomes Bahle's knight in shining armor. Ukhululiwe feel threatened by Ntombi's presence in the Temple's house. NgoLwesine mhla 23 January 2025, things get very heated between Diva and Sifocile. Mamzoba choose to defy church protocol. Mabusi is a supportive big sister to Kabsile. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 24 January 2025, uSiphamandla reprimands Diva and Sifocile, forcing them to make peace. Mamzoba forces the Tianes to marry Kabsile instead of Jabu. Siphamandla does a grand gesture for Zisebenzele and Ntombi. Ngiyabamba lapho ungakhohlwa ukucineza notification bell noma usubscribe okanye ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.